Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you looking for a really nice heavy duty backpack for your next adventure? I highly recommend this one by Imyth. It is so heavy duty. It's also really nice because it is so adjustable. There are straps and buckles all over the place so you can get it all wrapped up nice and tight. You can expand it. I also appreciate how comfortable it is to wear. You put it on and it has a nice chest strap and a waist strap that are fully adjustable so that you can keep it on your back and not have to worry about it sagging off and causing back pain. The shoulder straps are also super soft and cushiony, so you get that added support across your shoulders. And on top of that, it holds a lot when you need it to. My husband here packed several outfits. He had shoes, his tablet fit nicely. Did I say pockets? This thing has pockets for everything, so everything will stay nice and organized on your adventure. This is a tactical backpack, and when I say it's heavy duty, I mean it is heavy duty, and it is going to withhold a lot of adventures. I also appreciate it has zippers from both sides, which always makes it easier so you're not trying to figure out which side the zipper's on. There's a nice pocket in the back. My husband put his laptop in. So if you're looking for a really nice heavy duty backpack, this one by Imyth is really a great one. And that's my point of view.